Next, we're going to go over how to cut and use some of the connectors without soldering. This part number here is the 92-333, which is just the coupler. And this is another popular one, which is the 92-321. This one's great if you're hugging some corners, or there's spots where the solder doesn't exactly meet the corner of your application. So if you want to hug it or bend it, it's a lot easier. This is really popular amongst the dealers out there. So basically, after this is cut, you're going to get the coupler. It has little walls on the side, which basically you're just going to follow and slide it right in underneath the clips. Next one here, same thing. Just a note, just ensure that colors are matching. Otherwise, if they're not in order and they're out of sync, your colors are going to be off. So you're going to get green here and maybe blue there. So we're going to demo how to actually cut. So you got to cut right on the solder lines. There's a white line that goes right across. And the trick to it is get your nail right underneath the glue and peel it off right to the edge of the LED. That's one. Also, just another point, there's 3M adhesive in the back. It's best if you could peel that off to the part where you took off. That's going to slide into the connector, because otherwise it's going to bunch up and get stuck inside the coupler. Again, as I stated before with the previous coupler, you just want to ensure that your colors are going to match. So in this case, your black's your positive, which is going to be there. It's going to slide right under the connector there. And then clamp down. Same thing here. You have a coupler here, and you can see the spacing is almost the same amount of spacing as in between the LEDs, so you're not going to get any color diffusion or anything like that. It's going to be exactly the same space. And then with your other connectors, like I was talking about, you could curve it, tuck that in like if it was a 90 or 45, and extend it. And you can see after using the different connectors and couplers, all colors are in sync. And this is what will happen if the current is not going all the way through. So if you have one that's off, so we'll say for example, we're going to take one off right here. So you can see that you have to have it dead on and clamp down, otherwise it's not going to work and go through. So you see how this has the blue? That doesn't work. It's because it's not connected all the way through. Just like that.